Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Before we get started, please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon given below to get new video updates. Hello friends, so today we are going to learn about something new in Excel, that is Power Query. Now this tool is very interesting and important, and I assure you that if you have command on this tool, you can save 50% of your time and efforts in Excel. That means if you are working for 8 hours on Excel in a day, you can save 4 hours per day. Now let me explain you in detail what is Power Query. Power Query is an ETL tool. It is used to clean data where E stands for extract, T stands for transform, and L stands for load. Now, what does that mean is extract means extracting some data from the Excel, transforming it into the Power Query, and then load back to Excel. Also, Power Query is a tool which is a free add-in by the Microsoft. So let me explain you in detail with an example that how we are going to use Power Query. Let us understand that with an example. Now, I'm going to give you an example of some text functions. Here on my screen, you can see few text functions. You can perform these text functions, which are trim, concatenate, upper, proper, lower, by just using button clicks. Now, when I say button clicks means only using mouse, and there is no need for you to type any function, any formula to transform your data. On the left hand side, if you see, there are 3 columns in my table. The first is title, another is first name and last name. Here, if you notice, the data is not so good and we need to clean this data. Well, just go to the data tab, click on from table over here. Now this is there in get and transform data ribbon. From table, since we are extracting the data from the table, we have to use this option from table, and make sure you have the data converted into a table format. Now this opens a Power Query editor. This is a separate window which gets open when you click on from table. This is a Power Query editor wherein you'll get the same data what you read. I don't want that unwanted space. I want to trim those spaces. So what you have to do is just select the column and click on transform tab over here. Then you can see all the text functions will be visible in text column ribbons. All the number functions will be visible in number column functions. And all the date and time functions will be visible in date and time ribbon. Select the column and click on format and just say trim. You'll see all the data has been aligned properly. Now same, repeat the steps. For the first column, again go to format and click on trim. Again, select another column, click on format and trim. All the actions which you performed is been recorded here on the right hand side, applied steps. At any point of time you feel you want to change the step or you don't want to do anything, you want to undo it, you can just delete those steps which you have just recorded. Okay. Now, after doing this, once I've trimmed the data, my requirement was I want to combine this data, like combine all the columns into one column. So how you're going to do that? But for that, you need to select the columns in a proper order. That means I'm going to select the first column title, press Control, then click on first name, again Control, and then last name. Then here, if you can read merge columns, click on merge columns option. You have to select a separator. That means how you're going to separate one word by the another, colon, comma, equal sign, whichever you want. I want a space, and then what name you want to provide to that new column. So I'll write here as full name and just click on OK. You'll see that we have already changed it and all the columns have been merged. Now here I want to make them uppercase or lowercase or proper case. Again, select the column, click on format, and you can click on uppercase if you want to make them all the uppercase, or else capitalize each word. Capitalize each word is the same function we used in Excel, that is proper case. Every word's first letter is capital. Once you're done with all your editing part, you have to go to home tab and click on close and load. This is what I was saying, that you are loading back the data to your Excel. Once you click on that, you'll notice that you get entire sheet on the new tab. See this. Now we'll just go to our original data. If you read here, it has been written on the third row, it is Mansi. I'll just change this name. Let me modify the data and I'll write here. Okay. Go back to your data. It is not updated automatically. To update this data, you need to place your cursor inside the table. Just right click on that and click on refresh. See, it has been changed. Now, whenever you feel that you need to make more changes, here on the right hand side, there is queries and connection. You just have to double click on this tab, and again the Power Query editor will get open and you can make the necessary changes. So this is how this tool is very useful for us. That's all for this video. Thank you.